Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify multi-language support. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what you need to do is simply head over to your settings. Then you are going to be heading over to, you can say like your markets. Here you are going to be adding different type of markets, so it is going to have different language. Or what you can do is, let's just go back to admins panel. There you are going to be simply choosing from the top search bar and search for any currency integration or language integration. Similarly, you are going to be having that. So once you apply that language integration, you will be having your multi-language support. So it is actually really simple, no rocket science here. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.